Hi, welcome back to Cubes and Containers Data in Kenya. My name is Grace. Today I'm excited because this is our first YouTube video that we are doing after reaching 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to the 1,000 subscribers. We are hoping now to get to 5,000 subscribers. Yay! Okay, so today I'm going to share a video with you on a DIY project that we did from offcuts, waste, wood waste from projects we have done previously. So these are some of the offcuts that we got our pieces from. We are planning to do more projects with this remaining lot. We usually get just about this much with every project that we manage to do that involves wood. Have your pieces ready. Have your top, your bottom, middle, back, and your 8 pieces where your shoes are going to be placed on. Then have your 3 small pieces that are going to be used as the barrier for the top part. Start by gluing your side support panels to your top panel with wood glue. This helps in strengthening your joints. I prefer starting with the wood glue. This makes my work easier when it's time for me to screw in the 2 panels together. It helps with making the joints stronger and long lasting. Do the same for all the 3 pieces. After that, we turn it to the other side and screw the pieces together. As the top piece dries, on your bottom piece, mark the middle part, Then join your bottom piece to your middle piece with good glue, just as you did to the first piece. Give it about 5 minutes for the glue to dry before you move to the next step. Join your two pieces together with screws. Pre-drill your holes, then drive in your screws. Screw your bottom piece to your middle piece with either screw. If you don't have a drill, you can use a nail and a hammer. Make sure it makes a right angle to the bottom piece. Just as you did the bottom part, do the same to your top part. Mark the center piece. Apply glue on your joint before you join the two boards. Join your middle to your top part. Make sure it makes a right angle. After your top and bottom parts are in place, now it's time to fix your back supports. Do the same thing. Wood glue, glue them together, then reinforce your joints with screws. Pre-drill your holes, then drive in your screws. After your structure is done, it's time to divide your spaces with your small pieces. Make sure you divide your spaces evenly before you start fixing your pieces to your main structure. This helps in making sure your spaces are well divided. My spaces are 9 inches apart. Do the same procedure with these pieces too. Wood glue, place them on your structure. Make sure it's half dry, if not completely. Then go back, reinforce your joints with screws. Pre-drill your holes, drive in your screws. Let your glue dry for about 5 minutes. You later go back to it and screw the joints together. Make sure your pieces are fixed both from the back and from the sides. This makes sure that your shoe rack does not fall apart after a period of time. When you're done with all your joinery, you can decide to finish off your pieces with lipping on the sides, spray painting to the color that you prefer. But you were too eager to use it, we didn't finish it off the way we hoped. We decided to use it as it is, mainly because we are also planning to do another shoe rack very soon. We might decide to finish this piece after we are done with the excitement, but we couldn't wait to try it, so we had to use it as it is. So this is how it turned out. I'm quite pleased at the finish, though I realized some of my pieces were not at a right angle as I had hoped, but it still works. I'm happy. If you have tried the same, share with us a photo of your piece on our Facebook. The link is at the description box below. Thank you so much to our subscribers. Keep liking and sharing our videos. Leave a comment below if you liked this project. If you want to see us do more of these projects and these videos, let us know what you'd want us to do, because we are about containers and more. And we try to do interiors and do interior design basically with the recycled materials, what would otherwise be waste. And we can only reach more people if you like and share this video. Continue supporting us. If at all you're not part of the family yet, click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell so you get notified every time you upload a video. Yeah, until next time, bye.